Hey Jackalls, today we'll take a quick look at the Logitech G305 mouse. It's a decent mouse, but not good enough out of the box to make tutorial videos, because it's a bit loud, at least in my opinion. Now let's get digital. So in the box you get an extension USB cable that you can place on the table and into which you can connect the dongle that comes with the mouse. The mouse is wireless. When you connect the mouse to the PC with the dongle and it gains a signal, the blue light turns on. And best of all, the mouse works without having to install any software, and this also applies to the DPI button. And the laser, as you can see, doesn't shine, unlike in this mouse, so the battery life should be long. When it comes to the battery, you can use a AAA battery with a bit of oil, which makes the mouse lighter, otherwise it's a bit heavy at the back. The build quality is cheap, but then again, so was the mouse. Now the downside, at least to me, is the loud buttons. So let's listen and I'll let you decide what sounds better to you, the Logitech G305 or this cheap no-name mouse. I'll set up a sound meter so that we can get an idea of how loud it is, and we can also make a before and after comparison. Now if you listen to the test, objectively speaking, the cheaper mouse was quieter. So what I'll do is turn this Logitech G mouse into a Q mouse, for quiet. Now I'll go to my bench, open the mouse and see what I can do. If you want to watch the whole process on how to disassemble the mouse and do the changes that I'll make, you can go to my Jackalls DIY channel, otherwise I'll just skip through and go to the results. If you watch the results, you could see that I've turned the loud G mouse to a quiet mouse, but the left and right mouse button could still be a lot quieter, and that's probably because of the hooks under the buttons and not because of the switches, because this mouse button is really quiet. Now hopefully this will allow me to make better videos without any clicks in the audio, and if nothing else, I got rid of the cable, so there is less clutter on my table. And that concludes this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more DaVinci Resolve, video editing content and occasional content like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so you know when my next video comes out. I'm Simon, and until next time Jackalls, keep it digital.